Welcome to Curious Cubs Art. Hello kids, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're learning to draw and color a cat step by step.
Let's draw a cute cat. Draw the cat's face and body. Draw the cat's tail. Draw the cat's ears. Draw the cat's eyes. Draw the cat's nose and mouth. Draw the cat's whiskers. Draw stripes on the cat. Our cute cat drawing is done.
Orange color.
Let's color the cat. I am coloring the cat's stripes.
Light orange color.
I am coloring the cat's face. This is a cute cat. Cats are my favorite animals. I love cats. Do you like cats? This is a cute ginger cat.
Peach color.
I am coloring the cat's ears. The cat looks so adorable. Meow.
Don't forget to subscribe.